if we really needed an airport. If you receive that today, it would be out of...
I'm looking at the documents you gave me. Which you are the one who gave me the documents.
Which point of order, Chair? I think the CS should give us, should respect our intelligence. We're not talking some nursery school kids. Respect our intelligence and address us as adults and address us as senators of the Republic of Kenya.
Are you addressing Chirchir or addressing the chair?
Answer, if you know the answer, I say I do. If you don't, we are lenient as a committee. We can always read between the lines. So kindly, and also, it's also good for us to know that we are governed by the standing orders. And I'm really withholding, invoking some of the standing orders, like standing order 105, which is a statement of facts, whenever we are interacting with this department or with this issue. So let's restrain ourselves to the issue at hand. By so doing, we'll be able to get answers. And that's why, initially when we started, remember we were giving every senator about 3 minutes, so that you ask your questions and you get response. So the moment you bring this kind of interaction, you will have point of orders, and we might lose the points that you want to execute.
I actually nearly want to agree with you, but let me tell you why I'm cross-examining this.
No, proceed with the reason.
Please allow me. There's a very good reason I want to do that.
Chair, yesterday I said something about CS Chirchir. He's one of the few people, out of my interactions with cabinet secretaries, and you know I have a very low opinion of the cabinet, but he's one of the few who is usually very forthright. So, Honorable CS, you remember I owe you something. Congratulations. Please don't get derailed. I need you to be the same forthright person. If something is wrong, Honorable CS, the CS that I know, will say it is wrong. And it was not you. You are not there. Yeah. So throw people under the bus if you must, but you must retain.
Maybe Senator Onyoka is scaring him.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Chair. He's my former year mate in the university. We love each other. We've spent quite a bit of time together. I'm just trying to make sure we get the truth about this.